Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay and welcome to One Pound Meals. Today we're going to be cooking my £1 chorizo barbecue beans from my new book, Super Easy £1 Meals. First thing we're going to need is to get a pan on the hob. Then we're going to go in with some cooking chorizo. Now I know it's a bit expensive. This whole pack here I think came in at £3, but we're going to use such a tiny amount that a little goes a long way in this dish. So just slice this up into little circles. A tiny bit of olive oil in the pan. And then just throw those in. Next we're going to need a little bit of red onion. So we're just going to go in with a quarter. And we're going to slice these into sort of little half moon shapes. So chuck these in the pan. Then we're going to go in with a handful of drained cannellini beans. Then a splash of tomato passata. And now we're going to start flavouring the dish. Obviously a little bit of salt. Some cracked black pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Then we're going to get a slice of bread in the toaster. And now for the secret ingredient. It's going to sound weird, but trust me, it sort of balances out all the flavours. We want a squirt of tomato ketchup. Right, bread's done. And now we're going to pour the chorizo barbecue beans over the toast. And here it is, my £1 chorizo barbecue beans.